For the last 100 years, humanity has rested on a single comfortable assumption. We thought we knew the age of our reality. We believed the timeline was set in stone. 13.8 billion years. That is the limit. That is the hard wall where time begins. According to every physics textbook, every university lecture, and every standard model of cosmology, nothing can exist before this moment. It is the absolute horizon of our past. But 3 days ago, the James Webb Space Telescope sent back a data packet that shouldn't exist. Deep in the vacuum, peering back toward the very dawn of creation, it captured an image that is currently breaking the minds of astronomers at NASA. It looks like a simple, faint red smudge against the darkness. But the spectroscopic data hidden within that light tells a story that is impossible. According to the math, this galaxy is behaving as if it is older than the universe itself. How can a child be older than its mother? How can a star cluster form before the universe had the time to create it? Today, we are looking at the impossible object that might force us to burn our textbooks and rewrite physics from scratch. To understand why this discovery is terrifying scientists, you have to understand the sheer magnitude of what James Webb was actually built to do. This isn't just a camera. It is a time machine. When you look at the moon, you see it as it was 1 second ago. When you look at the sun, you see it as it was 8 minutes ago. And when you look at the deepest fields of the cosmos, you are looking back billions of years into the past. The plan for Webb was simple. We launched this $10 billion observatory to look back at a specific era known as the Cosmic Dark Ages. This was the time just after the Big Bang, before the first stars ignited. The scientific prediction was clear. We expected to see baby galaxies. We expected to find tiny, messy, disorganized clouds of hydrogen gas, barely starting to clump together. They should have been dim, ghost-like, and rare. But when Webb opened its infrared eyes, it didn't find babies. It found monsters. Instead of a dark, empty void with a few scattered sparks, the early universe is teeming with life. It is crowded, and most disturbingly, it is full of galaxies that are massive, bright, and fully mature. They have structure. They have spiral arms. They have complex chemical signatures. And they are sitting in a time period where, according to our models, nothing should exist yet. This brings us to the specific object that has become the center of this controversy. JWST 14-0. This is the current record holder. According to the redshift data, this galaxy existed just 290 million years after the Big Bang. Now, to you and me, 290 million years sounds like an eternity. But in cosmic terms, that is the blink of an eye. It is less than 2% of the universe's current age. For a galaxy to grow this large in such a short window is physically impossible. Think of it this way. If you walked onto a construction site 20 minutes after they broke ground, and you found a fully built, 100-story skyscraper complete with furniture and electricity, you wouldn't just be surprised. You would know that something about your understanding of construction was fundamentally wrong. That is where we are with JWST 14-0. Stars don't just appear. They need gravity to pull gas together. This takes millions of years. Then those stars need to cluster into galaxies. That takes hundreds of millions of years more. Then, to get a galaxy this bright, you need generations of supernovae to enrich the gas. There simply wasn't enough time. The universe was not old enough to have built something this big. Alison Kirkpatrick, an astronomer at the University of Kansas, summed up the existential dread in the scientific community perfectly. She said, "Right now I find myself lying awake at 3 in the morning, wondering if everything I've done is wrong. So what is the solution? We are currently staring at a crisis in cosmology, and we are left with only 2 possibilities. Both of them are revolutionary. Option 1. The laws of physics were different in the early universe. Some theorists are suggesting that perhaps gravity didn't work the way it does today. Maybe the early universe was filled with primordial black holes, dense seeds that accelerated the growth of galaxies, acting like steroids for star formation. This would mean the timeline of 13.8 billion years is correct, but our understanding of how matter behaves is flawed. It would save the Big Bang, but it would break our standard model of particle physics. But then, there is option 2. And this is the one that makes everyone uncomfortable. The Big Bang timeline is wrong. A new study published by physicist Rajendra Gupta suggests a radical idea that solves the problem by destroying the timeline. He proposes that the universe is not 13 billion years old. He calculates it could be 26.7 billion years old. He suggests a theory involving tired light and evolving coupling constants. Essentially, light might lose energy as it travels, making objects look further away and younger than they actually are. If the universe is twice as old as we thought, then the mystery of these monster galaxies is solved instantly. There was plenty of time for them to grow. They aren't impossible. We were just using the wrong calendar. But the cost of accepting this theory is enormous. If we admit the universe is 26 billion years old, we have to throw away 100 years of progress. It means everything we know about dark energy, the expansion rate of the cosmos, and the very origin of existence has to be recalculated. It means we have been measuring the cosmos with a broken ruler for a century. We built the James Webb Telescope to answer our questions. We wanted to see the beginning. Instead, it has shown us that we might not even know what the beginning looks like. We tried to fit the cosmos into a neat little box, and the cosmos just broke the box. Whether this is a glitch in our math, a misunderstanding of gravity, or proof of a universe far older and stranger than we ever imagined, one thing is certain. The history of our reality is about to be rewritten. The textbooks of the future will look very different from the ones we have today. What do you think? Is the Big Bang Theory dead? Or is there a missing piece of physics that we haven't discovered yet? Let me know your theories in the comments below. And if you want to keep exploring the edges of the known universe with us, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. You won't want to miss what Webb discovers next. Thanks for watching.